Hello, so we're out here today on our training grounds at Contra Costa County Fire Protection District, and we're training with our UAS. This is one of our drones, and behind me is the NIST course that we're doing. There's different scenarios we can go through. The one that our pilot is currently working on is the maneuvering section, which goes over 1 through 5 different courses of maneuvers and different tactics that he can do to show proficiency. So the NIST course stands for National Institute of Standards Technology, and the course is designed to test our pilots' ability in different maneuvers and close quarters, and kind of test their skill level to make sure that they're proficient to fly the types of drone that we've selected.
Hello, I'm Captain Dennis Ware with Contra Costa County Fire Protection District. I'm one of 6 pilots with the district, and I am in charge of ordering and maintaining all of our drones. We have 4 drones right now, 2 training drones and 2 first out drones that we can deploy on all types of incidents. And basically what I'm just going to go over today is what it takes to make sure that all of our gear is operating just like a frontline apparatus. So one of the things that we have to do is we have to upload and update software and keep it current, so that way we're flying with the best technology. Additionally, I want to make sure that we maintain all of our batteries and make sure that they're currently running at peak performance. And in order to do that, we have to charge them on a daily basis. And we have smart chargers to make sure that our operations are able to run as long as they can. The current batteries that we have on our first-gen drones that are deployed on different types of incidents can run up to 27 minutes right now. All right, right now I'm going to talk about this one right here. This is our Enterprise Duo Maverick Pro, and basically it's a camera that has 2 cameras in it that flies with the drone, and through this screen I'm able to see what the drone sees at a different angle. And it allows me to take infrared images and overlay them into visual images, which gives us high definition and allows us to see hot spots, different points of interest on an incident scene, and relay that information back to the incident commander.
So at this incident, the drone and the drone pilot was provided to us by Lafayette PD. And it was after this incident that we realized how valuable a tool UAS could be in our organization. It's a resource that provides situational awareness of the surroundings and how many structures are potentially in danger and where the resources need to be assigned, especially for wildland fires that occur in the wildland-urban interface. So thanks for joining us today out here in our training grounds for the virtual demo of UAS with Confire. And for more information about our district, go to www.cccfpd.org for more information. Thank you.